In this lecture, you are going to learn Raven tools and how to use it. Raven tools comes with pricing package and also free trial period of 30 days. Well, you can use this 30-day trial to do the initial analysis when you start a website, or you can just use it to grade how your website performs at this stage. So I signed up for the trial and I searched for pocketnow.com in Research Central. You need to come to Research and Research Central in the left side panel, and you need to type a website URL or a keyword. I have typed pocketnow.com to show you how our competitor website performs. Well, the external do follow links for the root domain is 215,000. That is a tremendous amount of links to have. You can have this many number of do follow links only if you do a lot of posts, useful reviews, parallelly a YouTube channel linking to your website, and lots of stuff going on your website that are providing so much of value to your visitors. And the total links is just about 3 million. This total links also counts no follow links. Well, we will see what is do follow and what is no follow in the upcoming sections. But for now, just imagine in such a manner that do follow links give you more SEO value, whereas no follow links give you some lesser amount of SEO value to your website. In total links, if there are 1000 backlinks coming from a same website, then all those 1000 links are counted. Whereas in referring domains, out of those 100 or 1000 backlinks from the same domain, it will be counted as only one. So almost 12,000 domains are referring to pocketnow.com website. Also, you can see that according to Moz analysis, this pocketnow domain has got an domain authority of 70 and the homepage has got the page authority of 75. So with the increase in domain authority or page authority, you can rank higher for even the broad keywords. These we have seen in the technical SEO section itself. Coming to social metrics, you can analyze the social proof of your website or your competitor website or your neighbor or friendly website using this Research Central of Raven tools. In this graph, that is majestic graph, you can see the trend of total number of external backlinks that are found in a given month, such as January or February, varying from 2010 to 2015. This graph corresponds to the total links. If you want to see the image links alone, you can click here and the graph will change, such as for no follows, crawled pages, referring domains, etc. Coming to domain link distribution, out of this 12,000 referring domains, 66% of domains has got .com as their top level domain extension. The remaining are .de, .jp. .jp refers to Japanese websites, .net, .uk, .org, .edu. Actually getting a respectable amount of backlinks from .edu increases your page ranks and reputability of your website in a much faster manner. We will deal with these .edu backlinks etc. on link building section. Now let's proceed to the quality category in Research Central. By analyzing the Moz Trust, Moz Rank, Page Authority, Domain Authority and several other things, Raven Tools gives a total or overall score of 75 out of 100 for pocketnow.com. If you are so curious where your website stands or what is the total score for your website, you can do that or you can search for your website in Raven SEO Tools. Now let's move to keywords. Actually, I have reloaded this several times, but this particular keywords tab is not loading for me. Actually, Raven Tools displays the top keywords of this website. that is the top keywords which brings the most organic traffic from search engines like Google, Bing, etc., which we have seen in previous lectures using various other tools. So the functionality is just the same. So let's move on to neighborhood. This neighborhood displays what are all the websites that are hosted on the IP addresses nearer to the IP address of pocketnow.com, which implies that these websites are almost hosted on the same hosting company or same server, etc. Now, moving on to design, you can see that, like quality score, Design Analyzer reports a score after reducing for the errors that are found on this home page, not on the entire website. For example, there are no heading 1 or heading 2 tags that are found in this home page of the website. That's why the semantic structure has got an X. We saw in the technical SEO section itself the importance of H1, H2 or heading tags. So those are the entry tickets to enter into search engine. That is a must nowadays. If you are starting out your website as new, or if you haven't implemented heading 1, heading 2 tags on your website, it's the right time to do. Page content. Google recommends a minimum number of words of 300 per post or per page. If you exceed that count, you will get a tick mark. Coming down, obsolete and deprecated HTML. Div, align, and center. These tags are not allowed in HTML5 tags. If you use the obsolete tags of HTML in your homepage, then you will get an X for that. Download size bar time. Well, we have a complete section for page speed where we tried reducing the HTML size, the image size, your total website size to improve the page speed or to reduce the page loading time. If you have completed that section and implemented those recommendations, definitely you would have got a tick mark in download size bar time. Coming to outgoing links, you should add rel is equal to no follow to all the outgoing links from your website. Don't worry about this for now. We will deal with this in the link building section, which I will publish soon. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use Google search suggestions.